Hi, welcome to channel KK Art Universe. Today we're gonna sketch Radha Krishnan with flute. Let's go. Take blue color paint, light blue. First draw outline and then paint it fully. Thin brush or round brush. Starting with base and then skin tone for Radha. And then pink color for shawl. And then orange for sari. Then yellow color for border. And then yellow color for crown. And then pink color for lips. And then black color for hair. And then light green for background. Cover it fully. And then for highlighting, I'm using dark skin tone, navy blue color. Draw border. Finger. Then dark pink. Highlighting shawl. Then outline. Then drawing eyes. Like Radha saying Krishna. Then white color and black. And then red color. And then using orange color for highlighting. For border design. And then yellow. And then flute, I'm using maroon color. And white dots for pearl. then small design for flute, and then chain, bangle, earring, Radha and Krishna, and then peacock feather, starting with dark green, yellow, blue, and then green color, stone effect, just border line, like emerald rupee, highlighting sari, white dots, now Radha Krishna painting is ready. See how Radha admire Krishna. Thank you for watching KK Art Universe. Do like, share and subscribe. Follow me for regular artwork.